All right, let me switch this around. Stay right there. All right. What's going on, everybody? This is Bitcoin Brandon from Los Angeles, California. I just got finished with the Vara live presentation on Sunday evening, and I promised the group that right afterwards, I would go live and show a live demo of me playing the Starvara game. It's only in beta right now, just showing the Battle Royale side of it. That I would show it by using the PlayStation 5 controller as well with this. So let me flip the screen so you can see I've got the app open up and ready to go. Start your engines. I've got my controller ready to go. All right, I'm going to have my son Chris hold this and just aim it at the screen and then get where I've got the controller and the screen at the same time. So as you see, you got that? Come a little bit behind me so you get a good, clear view of the game. All right, you got that? All right, so we're going to get started. Let me make sure this turned up. All right, now I got to go do the tutorial. I can stop. Let me start. Watch my speed. Yep. Begin test. All right. I can shoot. Let's go. Yeah, nobody's going to be able to touch me now that I know how to use the controller. Now, what I'm doing right now, this is just going through the rings, going through the gates, tutorial, so you get used to flying and the controls, how it works. A lot of people like the buttons up goes up and down goes down, and I don't. I like the inverted. You scroll down, you go up. You go up, you go down. This is how I do it. There we go. I'm just going to show off one tutorial. Then another day, I'm going to do the whole thing. All right, 13 down, 7 more to go. Here's another tip, too. The angle of the gate lets you know where the next gates are going to be, where it's pointed to. So they're going to curve themselves up, or they'll curve themselves down. Said, Starvara don't have no product. You guys don't have a product. Yeah, all right. We don't do speculation over here. We sell a real product. I gotta move out the way from the asteroids. And finish. All with the PlayStation 5 controller. All right, thank you, Chris. That's it. Checkpoint complete. Stop to go to the next stage. But I'm going to stop it right there. Be reversing. Vara, Starvara Beta. We've been talking about this all year. Now's the time. I'm doing a live international presentation tomorrow, 2 p.m. Eastern, 11 a.m. Pacific. And then maybe tomorrow or Tuesday, Halloween Day, I'm going to do it again. But I'm going to do the whole tutorial live in front of you guys. How about that? All right, take care. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday. Bye-bye.